So today we've got a bit of a different video. This is a mystery box from AM Details. He was offering to the community. So I paid £60 for it, and there should be £100 worth of product in there. Let's open it up and see what we've got. So we've got 5 air fresheners, trigger, microfiber cloth and an applicator, microfiber wash mitt. Could have needed one of those anyway. Fluffy drying towel. 500ml of APC. Couple more triggers. Orange air freshener. AM wheels. Cinnamon festive detailer. Microfiber cloth and another air freshener. 500ml of AM bubbles. The best clay bar you can buy, AM clay. Passion fruit air freshener. And a 5 litre bottle of APC as well. Be able to top that one back up. And at the bottom we've got a pot of premium carnauba wax. So thank you, Alan and Eon. I think there's more than £60 worth of value there, and everything will get used at my on my detailing business. So thank you guys, and keep up the good work, and be good to see some more mystery boxes. Thank you, take care.